Why is he the best Vaishnava? Lord Shiva is fully absorbed in Vishnu Bhakti. He is like Narada Muni, because he is also a Bhakta avatar. Lord Shiva is an empowered incarnation of the Lord in the role of the Lord's devotee. That's why, because he's fully absorbed in Bhakti, that's why he's considered to be a Bhakta avatar. And he's written so many songs and given so many teachings on devotion also. And there's one magazine which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. And it actually, because as I said, a devotee is very merciful. For example, if you come to me, I may be very wealthy, and you come to me and say, oh, he's very wealthy, I want some money. But I'm thinking in my mind, I know how to make money. And so many people come to me and they ask me for money, and so I give it to them. But in my heart of hearts, I would really like to tell them how to make money. Because they come to me and they ask for some money, but if they knew how to make money themselves, they would never have to come to me, and they would be independent and self-reliant. And they can make so much more money, because when they come, they ask for a little bit. But they only ask for money. So in the same way, people go to Lord Shiva. Oh, Lord Shiva, Dhanam Dehi, Janam Dehi, Dhanam, give me money, Dehi, give me followers, give me position, give me post, make me mantri, make me this, that. And so Shiva says, all right, take it, bhavatu, tatastu, take it. But he's thinking, why don't they ask me? Why don't they ask me for what I really have? In my heart of hearts, I want to give them Vishnu Bhakti. I want to give them devotion to the Lord. Because if they have devotion to the Lord, they'll get everything. What they really want is happiness, and eternal life, and peace of mind, and fulfillment, beauty, charm, and sweetness. They'll get all of that if they attain Vishnu Bhakti. And I can give it to them. I have the power to give it to them. But they're so foolish. They come to me for these trivial, temporary benefits. And this is why it's said, in the Adi Varaha Purana, it says, Janmantara Sahasreshu Samaradya Brishadvajam Vaishnava Tvam Labeddiman Sarva Papakshaye Sati. By worshipping Lord Shiva for many thousands of births, a person becomes wise and free from sins. Then he becomes a Vaishnava. Yeah. Because that's really, if you really get the mercy of Shiva, oh Shiva, kripa karo, give me your mercy. If you really get the mercy of Shiva, you become a Vaishnava. Because he's a Vaishnava.